When the world went from full speed to full stop, it forced us all to rethink our priorities. For us at No Status Quo, it was no different. This full stop stress tested our disruptive 360 rethink process, which is our approach to helping clients grow profitable revenue by differentiating themselves through the things that make them unique and different. On a professional level, we had to evolve from helping clients with digital transformation to helping clients grow profitable revenue with digital innovation. Shifting our focus to profitable growth meant tearing down our status quo, which led to an approach of partnering deeply with our clients. One specific example of deep partnering was tying our profits to the growth and value we helped our client create. The number one question: how do we show up for organizations today in areas where they need us the most? The answer? By activating a new type of grit, G-R-I-T, in the organizations we work with. G-R-I-T. Growth, resilience, innovation, and transformation. And so the real work began. We are for the organizations whose leaders embrace diversity of thought, personality, imagination, and expertise. We're for the teams that understand that growth happens outside of comfort zones. We're for the teams that recognize the necessity of going digital. And we're for the teams committed to activating and amplifying their grit. To do this, and to do this well, we recognized that a deep partnership with clients was a necessity to succeed, and we had to embrace a clear fact. We are not for everyone. Understanding today's challenges, our goal is to show up where businesses need us the most, to co-create with you a future where your business becomes the best version of itself. First off, we made it a point to be the best at creating value by doing the unthinkable. Baseline our clients' valuation before and after partnering with us on activating their grit. Specifically, we're holding ourselves accountable to the standard of finding and increasing their business valuation by at least 3x. Next, we doubled down on being a source of free resources that empower self-reflection, making it possible for you and your team to identify gaps and opportunities without the pressure of expensive consultants peering over your shoulder. Secondly, we appreciate that now more than ever, businesses need to shed unnecessary costs. To help with this, we've kept our pricing aligned with your reality by tying our profit directly to your overall success and growth. The model is unusual given the way we prefer to be compensated for results and not effort. We call it pay for results, and it represents our commitment to your grit. While traditional consultants bill for effort, we bill based on the value we create for you. Third, we cracked the code on helping businesses evolve into the best version of themselves by perfecting 3 specific activities. Number 1, maintaining a people-first focus by journey mapping the customer and talent experience together. We do this because grit comes from aligning your talent's productivity to your customers' experiences. Number 2, baselining the value of your business before and after we blueprint your future business model. We want to collaborate with you to achieve growth of at least 3x within 3 years. All this requires is openness to imagining your new reality together, exploring innovative ideas together, and focusing on the possibilities together. Number 3, use research about your company and competition to prototype 3 ideas that add new revenue streams and visualize those ideas to help, quote unquote, you see the future. Lastly, we focus on your grit by bringing innovative, transformative solutions to the table from day one to help you flourish in this digital era. Here are a few examples of how we've done this. In 2019, a tutoring company valued at $160 million with more than 200 locations faced a competitive marketplace and declining revenue. But they knew the future lay in the digital space, but lacked clarity for those goals or digital innovations required to compete. With the help of our grit analysis, the company learned what changes were required to spark profitable, resilient revenue growth by using our process to discover a new business model. That business model was becoming the preferred platform for home-based learning. Our process introduced the leadership team to concepts like providing holographic tutors on the desk of each student. In 2020, a CPA firm valued at $97 million wanted innovative ideas to spark growth and overcome stagnation in acquiring new clients and new talent. But they had no clarity on what digital innovations might activate their grit. We helped to create and craft differentiated experiences for both their clients and talent. Using this process, we helped the firm reimagine its audit process as a digital workflow, resulting in 9 additional revenue streams from new digital services. Projected valuation growth topped 300%. In 2021, we've engaged mid-sized retailers who want to evolve from brick and mortar only business models to omni-channel models and become relevant to digital shoppers. This new chapter has demanded serious soul searching from companies all over the globe. As you discover how your company will navigate the new normal, consider Einstein's words. We cannot solve our problems with the same level of thinking that created them. So, in a continuously changing landscape, how can we help you get future ready?